Welcome back to day 8 of our 30 Days of India series. Today we are exploring India's states and its union territories, the political and administrative framework that binds our nation together. Let us know the historical background. After independence in 1947, India inherited a complex mix of British provinces and princely states. To bring unity, the States Reorganization Act of 1956 was passed, reorganizing states mainly on linguistic basis. Over the years, new states were carved out of to reflect regional aspirations and administrative efficiency. Let's know the present structure of India. India has 28 states and 8 union territories that form the Republic of India. States have their own legislatures and governments, headed by a chief minister. Union territories are smaller regions directly governed by the central government through an administrator or lieutenant governor, though some UTs like Delhi, Puducherry and Jammu and Kashmir have their own legislatures. Now let us know the diversity across states. Starting from North India, Jammu and Kashmir, mountains, Punjab's fertile plains, Uttar Pradesh's Ganga belt. In West India, Gujarat's Gir lions, Rajasthan's deserts, Maharashtra's bustling Mumbai. Now let us come to South India. Kerala's backwaters, Tamil Nadu's temples, Karnataka's tech hubs. In East India, Odisha's Jagannath temple, Bihar's Nalanda, West Bengal's cultural richness. Now let us know Northeast India. 7 sisters states with unique tribal heritage. Sikkim's Himalayan charm. This is the diversity across states. Let us know the union territories and special regions. Starting with Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It has tropical paradise, strategic location in the Bay of Bengal. In Chandigarh, a planned modern city, capital of Punjab and Haryana. In Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu has coastal beauty, Portuguese heritage. In Delhi, the nation's capital, a blend of history and modern governance. Jammu and Kashmir is a union territory since 2019, with Ladakh carved out of separately. In Ladakh, cold deserts, home to monasteries and the Pangong Lake. In Lakshadweep, coral islands with stunning lagoons. In Puducherry, French colonial charm and the East Coast. Let us know the significance. States and UTs are not just administrative units. They embody India's diversity in culture, language, food, traditions and geography. Together they strengthen the vision of unity in diversity, making India vibrant and unique. That was day 8, India's states and union territories. Each state and UT is a jewel in India's crown, contributing to its rich heritage and progress. Don't forget this part of our 30 Days of India series. Tomorrow on day 9, we will continue this exciting journey through India's history and culture. If you enjoyed, like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.